The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, in a small village near a deep forest, there lived a poor woodcutter. His only tool was an old iron axe. Every morning he went to the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market. With that little money, he fed his family. Though his life was difficult, he was honest and never thought of stealing. One hot afternoon, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe suddenly slipped from his hands and fell into the water. The river was very deep, and the axe sank quickly. The woodcutter became very sad. "Oh no! Without my axe, how will I work? My family will starve," he cried. Just then, the river goddess appeared. Her bright form shone like sunlight on water. She asked gently, "Why are you crying, good man?" The woodcutter bowed and explained, "I lost my only axe in this river. Without it, I cannot work." The goddess smiled kindly. She went into the river and brought out a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The man looked at it with wide eyes but shook his head. "No, that is not mine. Mine was old and made of iron." The goddess went back into the water and returned with a silver axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. Again the man shook his head. "No, that is not mine either." At last, she brought out the old iron axe. The man's face brightened. "Yes, that is my axe. Thank you, goddess," he said with joy. The goddess was pleased with his honesty. "Because you are truthful, I will give you not only your iron axe but also the golden and silver ones." She handed him all three. The woodcutter was overjoyed. He thanked her again and again, then returned to his village. He continued his simple life, always honest and hardworking. Later, a greedy villager heard his story. Hoping to get rich, he threw his axe into the same river and cried loudly. When the goddess appeared, she showed him a golden axe. The greedy man quickly said, "Yes, that is mine." The goddess frowned. "You are lying," she said. "Because of your dishonesty, you will lose everything." She disappeared, taking the golden axe, and the greedy man lost his own axe forever. From then on, people in the village remembered the lesson: honesty brings reward, but greed leads to loss. Moral: honesty is always rewarded.